In today's video, I'll be covering the advantages and the disadvantages of a travel door lock to help you decide if you should be packing one on your next trip. These temporary locks are designed to be installed from inside the room to prevent someone from entering, even if they have a key. The lock is going to add an extra layer of security to your hotel room, your vacation rental, your Airbnb, or anywhere that you are staying where you do not have control over what kind of locking mechanism is used on the door or control over who has access to the room. The main benefits of this style of travel lock is that they are very easy to install with no tools needed. They are also extremely lightweight, which is going to make them very easy to carry with you and to pack, even in your carry-on luggage, as they are TSA friendly. These temporary locks can also be used on various types of doors, including doors that don't have a lock at all. Someone on the outside also cannot tell when the lock is in place, so you don't need to worry about offending your host. These locks are also extremely affordable, with many similar options for just around $10 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to the one that I have in the description. The disadvantages to these portable travel locks is that they're not going to be compatible with all door types. And also, if someone really did want to get into your room, they're probably familiar with how these work and would be able to bypass it with a little bit of effort. The lock also needs to be set up from inside of the room, so it's only going to protect you while you're actually in the room and is not going to add any protection from theft while you are away. The biggest drawback, in my opinion, to using one of these travel locks is that if there was ever an emergency situation and you needed to evacuate your room, it's probably going to take you a little longer to get out than if you did not have the lock in place. I'm personally willing to take the risk as I feel like the benefits of these travel locks far outweigh the cons. And honestly, this is something that I wish I would have known about back in my earlier travel days where I was going across Asia solo, renting all of these different random apartments. And honestly, I didn't think much of it at the time, but it would certainly make me nervous now. Does anyone else feel like they're more afraid of things as they get older? It can't just be me. In summary, these travel locks are very affordable, they're very easy to install, they're easy to carry around, and they are going to add an extra layer of protection to any place that you intend to stay during your trip. However, there are pros and cons which you need to weigh for yourself. Let us know down in the comments if you do or if you would use one of these travel locks on your own trip. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to join us back here for more travel tips and hacks next week. Bye!